Okay, so this is what I got. I got a fault code, service traction control, check engine light is on, car's in park in the garage, service traction control light is on the right cluster. Just depressing the fuel pedal, no response from the engine, nothing. And this occurs when it's raining very hard. The wife went to see her mom, came back, the car's doing this, and this is what's happening. Engine power is reduced, service traction control, traction control light is on, service engine light is on, mashing the gas, nothing's happening. Traction control light on this side, pressing that, makes no difference, doesn't matter, we got nothing. So we're gonna wait a while. It's 5 after 11 now. We'll wait a while, let it dry off, and come back and try it again.